If you are trying to run a program and you get the error, the program can't start because api-ms-win-crt runtime l1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. Then this means that the DLL file is missing or corrupt. So, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to install it or replace it in a quick and easy way. This tutorial applies to Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Select your language and then press download. Select both files. Press next. Save the files. Now run vcredist x64. Accept the terms and then press install. Press yes. Press close. Now run vcredist x86. Accept the terms and then press install. Press yes. Press close. Restart and your problem should be fixed.